What up, everybody? Moose is loose. Just filled up some beautiful coffee. I am going on a YouTube bender. I am drinking a ton of coffee. Like, dude, I'm drinking more coffee than I do when I go out and the moose is getting loose downtown. So this is pretty dope. So today, after you like, comment, subscribe, and remember my name, what we're going to do is we're going to show you how to delegate to the Dapp Central Stake Pool. So what we're going to do specifically is we're going to discuss what is a stake pool, just quite simply, best of my ability on the fly. And then we're going to show you how to earn some yield. So if you don't know what a stake pool is, what it is with Cardano, because it is a proof of stake protocol, what you can do is you can take the Cardano that you have in your wallet and you can delegate your coins to a pool. Now, when you do this, you earn the part of the new supply. So for example, you have businesses or individuals, they run a Cardano node, okay? And what that does is that is going to support the Cardano blockchain. So they get rewarded with the new supply every 5 days. There's an epoch, so they are minting different blocks. So they're minting blocks and getting rewarded with the new supply. Now you can participate in that as a Cardano holder. You can delegate to the pool, so you can support these stake pool operators and earn those rewards. So let me show you. So if we take a look at my wallets here, so this is going to be one of my Yoroi wallets, and I've been doing this for a while. Let's just say, let's just go to, for example, my Mitch Model T, because I've been in here for a while. If you take a look at the rewards, you can see all the different rewards I've been earning. So I've earned a total of about 98 Cardano. And specifically, I've been into like 4 or 5 different pools. So I was in the Gens X stake pool. Now I'm on the Crow node. I was in the Nerd stake pool. I was in Alps for a while. I was also in Meld. I believe that's where this one was, or no, it was probably around. Yeah, it was Epoch 280. So that's how I earned a lot of these assets in this wallet. So what I will do is I will show you as well that particular wallet, because we got to be transparent here. So if I type in Red Cape, which is one of my wallets, you can see that I was airdropped a couple of different items, but in particular a couple of fungible items like Meld tokens. And I also have this beautiful Diamond Hands NFT. So because from my wallet, I delegated, so I'm going to show you how to do it. I delegated to the Meld stake pool. I wonder if it's even still there. But for example, let's say this is where you delegate to. You can get rewarded with tokens. So these are also called ISPOs. So some stake pool operators, what they do is they will give you tokens from pre-IPO projects. So it's called an initial stake pool offering. So for example, say a project wants to raise money. What they will do is they will run, they will have a certain supply. In the case of Meld, they had, say 1%. They rewarded that to stake pool delegators. And they also offered NFTs. So it's just really cool. It's a nice, fun way. We have online courses, and I'm going to show you how you can get into those as well. And it better explains it. But the idea is, and what we're going to cover here, I'm going to try to keep this somewhat simple. Let's say you have a NAMI wallet, okay? And at the end of the day, we're going to be delegating to Dapp Central Stake Pool. So he's a YouTuber. You can delegate to another pool, but seems like a good guy, and we're going to trust them for the time being. So right now, I'm delegating to this Crow node. So right now on the public blockchain, he's got 26 million. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to pool.pm and you want to have your wallet set up. So we're going to go to NAMI, and instead of being in the Kopi stake pool, I want to delegate to a different pool. So how do you do that? Well, you're going to want to go to the the pool that you want to delegate to. I recommend the Crow or Dapp at this point in time. So there's different point in times when you can and should be into a pool. At this point in time, we are February 16th when I'm filming, but what I want you to do is look at different pools. Maybe your favorite YouTuber, they have a pool. Support them. So we want to get into the Dapp Central Stake Pool, ticker symbol Dapp. So what we're going to do is just go to join over here, okay? And we're going to click on our wallet. We're going to go to our NAMI, okay? And if you don't know how to set up a wallet, you can do that very simply. I have a video on the YouTube channel here how to do that. So we're going to sign the transaction. I'm going to put in my password if I can remember. And we are waiting for confirmation. And just like that, we are going to delegate to the Dapp Central Stake Pool. So again, none of our funds are moving away from our wallet. We are just saying, yes, we would like to support this stake pool. So we want to support this channel or basically the stake pool operator. So they're going to get a decent kickback, but so will we, right? So not sure why, but this is taking a little bit of time. So if we go here, we are now delegating to the Dapp Central Stake Pool. So there you go. And just like that, it's reading our wallet. We didn't give it access to do anything with our wallet, but my rap music, this is the one that I have an ADA handle of. So if you don't know, you can buy these, you know, Cardano domain names kind of thing. Basically, you would, you know, own this domain name. So instead of remembering your long string phrase, your public address, you could utilize this as your address. So definitely really cool. So look at that. We are now delegating to the Dapp Central Stake Pool. If you don't know how to set up a NAMI wallet, it's very simple. I'll go through the basics right now. We do have a video on YouTube, but basically what you're going to do is go to NAMI wallet. You can Google it, download the Chrome extension. You will see it up here and just follow the steps. So again, you're just going to make sure that you write down your seed phrase. And if you are confused, if you've never done it, let me actually go to the channel here. And I have a video on it. So if we go to YouTube, I can find it pretty quick. How to set up a Cardano ADA wallet NAMI. I've got a full tutorial. So this is the video right here. Just go on YouTube, type Crypto Moose NAMI, and you'll find it. So look what we did. We went through all that. We delegated to a stake pool. You now know how to earn some passive income. So if we take a look, I'm going to be earning, I believe, MELD. We're going to be earning some MELD. So this should be accumulating. And yeah, that's basically it. That's all I wanted to cover. We will see you next time. But before that, actually, we are running sales, actually. So I'll do this very, very short and sweet. You can go to the link in the description below. You can enroll in the NFT Non-Fungible for Beginners course. Use coupon code MOOSESLOOSE. So I've already got it embedded in the URL. But if you want to get into my NFT course, do that. We also have our crypto investing for beginners and our 10-day cryptocurrency course. They're all 80% off. And that's going to last 30 days. For the rest of the year, they're like $200. But ultimately, if you want to check them out, watch the preview video. And I'm telling you, it's worth the 20, 30 bucks that you're going to spend because 5, 10, 15, 20 years from now, you will thank yourself for having this knowledge that you do. So thank you all for supporting the channel, and comment down below what else you would like to see me cover in future episodes. We will see you in the next one.